Are you looking for the cute small little cookies that has sugar on the top looks like a jam? If yes, here is the recipe. For those who grew up in Asia, you guys must be familiar with these jam cookies. But if you're not, that's okay too, because today I am about going to introducing it to you. And if you like it, you can try to make some at home, and I hope you like it as much as I do. But before we get into the recipe, I'd like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers. All your supports meaning a lot to us. And if you just found my channel by today, you are more than welcome to like, leave a comment, or subscribe if you are only interested. Really appreciate it, and thank you all so much. Making these jam biscuits cookies also bring back my old memory to when I was a little girl. I really love it and I really enjoy it so much. So let's get started with the recipe and all ingredients. We will prepare to separate ingredients, topping icing, and the dough for the biscuit itself. First, I will prepare to make royal icing for the topping, then we'll prepare for the dough afterwards. For the royal icing, I use 1 white large egg. The yolk already separated and keep it aside, we will use it later. Add little bit vanilla extract, and we will using hand mixer with medium speed, then slowly adding sugar powder. Keep mixing until we get the stiff form, and make sure it's look like spiky and shiny like this as the end of the result. Let's go ahead, then place each color onto piping bag to make it easier, and I am now putting them aside in the refrigerator until it's ready to be used. Now the second part, let's make the cookie dough for the biscuits. I start with 1 stick of unsalted butter plus 4 tablespoons of Crisco. I am not sure why I'm doing this today, but hopefully it's not a violation on formula recipe or make it less delicious for the taste. And if you have done this before, please let me know on the comment down below how was your result turned into. Continue with adding the vanilla extract, sugar powder, beat with medium speed, then add 1 large egg. Then beat them all together again until the color is pale. And then next, we are going to start adding all the dry ingredients: flour, sugar powder, milk powder, baking soda, and salt for the taste. List to the ingredients and measurement you can find on the description box comment down below. And I still not forget that I have to add of the egg yolk that I already mentioned it before. It looks like the dough is being folded perfectly and it's ready. So instead of using bare hands, let's grab the gloves and let's start make a little round shape. And I'm using the scale to measure all little rounds dough for about 5 grams each, since I want their size evenly. And to create the cute side lines, simply just using fork and it will look like this. You can go ahead and repeat all the process. After we finish the shape process, let's get the baking sheets with paper lined ready and bake them on the oven with 320 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 minutes. Cooled after 25 minutes before topping it. Then after topping it, all these cookies need to get back again in the oven with same temperature for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the biscuits colored golden brown. Cool it down and let the gem icing set or harden. I'm really excited to try, and let's try this one. And yes, the icing is already hardened like candy jam, and the biscuit cookies just soft and crunchy in the inside. They taste really sweet and delicious. I hope you found this recipe helpful, and until next time, thank you very much for watching.